want some right now.
You're already eating.
I want some more sausage.
Some more sausage. She's greedy, y'all. Hey you guys, what's up? Welcome back to another day in the life of a stay-at-home mom vlog. If you're new here, hello and welcome to You Girl. My name is Anissa and this is...
It's your boy R Dizzle.
This is... Who are you guys?
Oh, why you acting all shy, girl? Who is you?
Rylan. Amari's back there and JoJo's with us. You guys were asking where JoJo's at. JoJo is with us. He decided to hang out with his family and ditch his friends for a little while.
For a little while.
So say hi, JoJo.
What's up?
We're going to Denny's. We're hungry. We can all eat. You guys ready to eat?
I'm ready to yum, eat them up.
Yum. So anyways, you guys, we got a lot of stuff going on, but first we're going to start with some breakfast because it's the most important meal of the day. What time is it?
Like 12, yeah.
It's late, y'all. We on black people time. It's late.
CP time.
But whatever, you guys, we're going to go ahead, go in there. If you have not already, go ahead and hit the like button because, I mean, sis, why would you wait? Okay. And hit the subscribe button because we would love to have you join a part of our YouTube family that we got going on here. Without further ado, let's go eat. Woody, say hi, guys. Aw, hi.
Look, I found my... Yep.
Hi, cutie pie. Hi.
Where is B? Now where's B and...
Now where's your favorite?
You know what? Yeah, I was going to say, you know what that is? Your favorite one. Bacon. Bacon, 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 bacon. Amari's first time in a high chair. Amari. Mari. Hi, booty. Hi. Hi, girl.
Twinning. Sausage. Good eats.
Thank you.
Enjoy it, okay?
Thank you so much.
This is hot. This is hot.
Ooh, yum. JoJo's ditched us. He went to go play some basketball, so now it's just myself, Ryan, the hubby, and the girls. Amari back there.
Belly full.
And yeah, the food was good.
Yeah,
French toast, clutch. So we are now going to be running some errands. We gotta go pay the rent. That California rent, y'all. We gotta go pay the rent.
No.
We gotta go pay the rent. We have to go get a battery for my car because, yeah, just it's no bueno. We need a new battery for the car. And just run some general errands pretty much. Head back home. Already been washing laundry, you guys. That's pretty much what we're doing today. Running the errands, cleaning up, getting prepared for Ryan to go back to work.
No, I ain't trying to do that either.
Take the Christmas tree down, you guys. We are in the new year. Today is the 6th, so gotta get that done. My family always tells me it'll be Easter time before you take the tree down, Nisa, which I'm not letting that happen this year, okay?
I can attest to that. That's facts.
We're gonna go ahead and take down the Christmas tree, you guys, okay? But anyways, lots of errands. Lead the way.
No, it's like this. Now.
Yeah. Come on, show me.
Last you guys saw, we were at Walmart. We just grabbed a couple of things. We need some paper plates and stuff like that. We grabbed a new shower liner, new bath mat and stuff. We grabbed some food for Amari, a couple of food pouches. We grabbed this, one of them just fell out, but we grabbed this little strawberry and yogurt. I'm gonna have her try that to see if she likes it. I also grabbed a peach one of those. I grabbed her some carrots, some good healthy carrots. Let's see what else. Oh, and some of the apples. She loves the apples. I wish they had the apples in the pouch. I like doing the pouches more just because she can kind of hold it. And then it makes it easy for on the go, like the little containers and stuff. I'll feed her those while we're at home, but when we're on the go, I love the pouches that the bananas come in. These little food pouches are the best. But anyways, we got that. And then we got something that we've been looking for. We got these air fryer liners. I don't know if I told you guys, but we got a new air fryer a while ago. We got these air fryer liners. So excited to try these. These are by Thyme Table. They are so pretty. The packaging's super pretty. It's like the silicone black and white. It has like white specks on it. But anyways, that's not the best part. The best part is the air fryer, y'all. Let me show you. So this is our new Ninja air fryer. It's a dual air fryer, okay? So you can do both sides, boop, whoop, or you can do it at the same time. My hands aren't free to do all that. But that's what the liners are for, because we are really taking care of our new air fryer. Our old one was dusty and crusty and all that. It's so nice, so good. I picked that up from Target and I practically got it for free when we got it, okay? It was on sale, on clearance, and then I had like a $50 credit that Target sent me for my my Target reloadable card. They sent me like a $50 credit for that. And then I had a whole bunch of gift cards that I had stacked up and put together for when I do like the $50 in household essentials. They send you $15 gift card. I had just been saving them. But I will go ahead and drop the link for the air fryer below. Check it out. Like I said, I got it from Target. It is amazing. Okay, before we get into anything else, I gotta feed Amari. So we're gonna try this strawberries and yogurt to see if she likes it. But once again, this is the Gerber Delicious and Creamy Strawberries and Yogurt. It's like strawberries and cream. It probably tastes really good. You like it? Tell the people it's yummies. Yum yums.
I'm gonna say hi.
Yeah, that baby like it. In the basket. Yeah. No, just in the basket. Pink with black hearts. Oh, wait, you like it, huh? It's yummy? It smells yummy.
You
Okay, you guys, so Mari is sleeping, so I'm about to eat. My sister cooked us some gumbo and sent it over our way, so I'm about to tear that up. But progress check-in, you guys. The tree is still up. It hasn't come down yet. I still have a load of laundry to do. This stuff is still in here because we haven't taken the tree down. This little one is over here running amok. Good thing is Mari is asleep, so I can go ahead and eat. The next time that she wakes up, I'll go ahead and give her bath, and then she should be done for the night. But yeah, just a quick check-in.
You too?
No, your sister. We're gonna do your hair tomorrow.
Why?
Ryla needs her hair washed and combed out and all that, and we're gonna get to that tomorrow before she starts school this week. But anyways, you guys, just checking in. Look at my gumbo.
I want to see the gumbo.
Ooh-wee.
I want some right now.
You're already eating.
I want some more sausage.
Some more sausage. She's greedy, y'all.
No, I'm not.
I'm kidding. Let me get this girl some more gumbo. Amari is up and it is time to give her a bath. And Amari has eczema, so I was gonna show you guys what I use for her bath. I use the Aveeno Baby. These are the eczema therapy pouches. They're like little, it's powder, like fine grain powder that you mix in with her bath. This does the body so well. When she was first born, I was like crying because her skin was just not as soft as a baby's skin should be, and I figured out she had eczema. Also, I use this Eucerin Baby, this eczema relief. I like the cream body wash. I also have the wash and shampoo, but I use this specifically for her hair, the Eucerin Baby wash and shampoo, especially just on her hair because it suds up and stuff like that. This cream body wash, it doesn't suds up, but it's like a lotion and lather, and it does her skin really, really well. So this is what the Aveeno Baby, the soothing, the bath treatment looks like. See how it's like this powdery consistency? So I just run her water and then mix this in. Okay, you guys, say I'm all fresh and clean. I'm so fresh and so clean. So after her bath, we always finish up. Let mommy see. Oh, come on. We always finish up with the Eucerin, the eczema relief. This one, I get it in the value size. It necessarily doesn't have to be the Eucerin Baby because I read the ingredients. Everything is absolutely the same. So I go ahead and just get the big size and put that on her, and I haven't had any problems. So that's just my baby though. That's my recommendation. If you want to buy the baby one, go ahead. But I'll have everything, all of the products that she used linked down in the description below for you guys, if you want to check it out or try it for your baby. But it works really, really well on Amari's skin. She's flipping and doing all that stuff. Say hi, say hey. Say hey, guys. Say hey. Say hey. Hi. But anyways, you guys, I think that's gonna be it for today's vlog. We're getting ready for bed. This one especially, since she just had her bath, she is going to knock out in a bit. But thank you guys so much for watching today's video. If you watched the full thing, I appreciate you. Love you so much. If you have not already, go ahead and hit the like button because, I mean, sis, you made it to the end of the video. What are you waiting for? And if you're not already subscribed to the channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. We would love for you to join a part of our YouTube family that we got going on. But we will see you later. Say bye, guys. Say bye. Can you say bye-bye? Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Give me that. Nope. Bye, you guys.